Last letter, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first to get rid of all your cards. Shuffle the deck and deal 5 cards to each player. Players do not look at their cards yet. Flip 1 card face up to the middle of the table to start the discard pile, then remove the rest of the cards to the box. They will not be used. The dealer looks at the discard and calls out a word that represents something in its picture. Now, all the players pick up their cards and look at them. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. Players race to find a card with an image that they can represent with a word, where the word starts with the same letter as the last letter of the word just called. For example, peak ends with K. Knight begins with K, so that player calls it out and discards it. Now, everyone must find a card that starts with T. To continue the example, you could get trim, then moon, then nasty, then yell, then light, then terrified, and so on. If a player says something that everyone agrees does not represent the card, or with an incorrect letter, then they take it back. If 2 players give an answer at the same time, then whoever card gets to the discard pile first is played. You are not allowed to name something in a card that is not obvious, true, or knowledgeable, like the name of a person, and you may not give the same answer that was already given. The first player to discard all their cards in their hand wins.